forever since I've been in here. Months and months and months. I stayed on the surface for a long time, but I do remember one thing, and it's that this laboratory should have a few bits and pieces around that I can use on my ghost ray. Now, if everything has been left the way it was when I left, the ghost ray should be in the other room, and I have a car battery that we need to power it, which is in the supply closet. There's a key in the desk that will open it. We also need the 4 support legs for it, and 3 energy canisters to power the laser. And that should be all that we need, so just meet me by the door over here and we'll get started. Wonder what's in there. Never ever figured that out. I don't think that's all the parts. The key to the supply closet where the car battery is should be in one of these drawers in one of these offices. You might find some energy canisters too. And then there's 3 energy canisters and 4 support legs, so go hunting for those and come back here. Wait, what was that sound? Wait, how did you get that door open? That door's been password protected since these labs have been built. What's even in there? Wait a minute. Is this all Sage's stuff? Wait, what are these files? Wait, this is all the way back from when the fire started, when Lily died. I hear some security photos too. Wait a minute, that's not me. Wait a moment, that face, that's Sage, the one who's been leaving the notes. Wait a minute, why are they doing this then? Were they the ones that killed Lily? Why though? Was it just to frame me? Wait a moment, there's a log here for today too. Secret weapon? Wait, are they talking about the one in my vault? Oh no, quick, we gotta hurry. Fast! No. If he gets a hold of that, then he'll do more damage than Lily ever will. Come on, hurry, please, come on. Oh no, the door's open. Great, that means he's inside. Okay, I'm gonna warn you, it's about to get extremely dangerous, but we have to stop him before he destroys everything. Come on, let's hurry.
Ender. And you guys should have just followed me into the vents. Oh, it's too late. Have fun.
No. Wait, that's not the right robot. Okay. Shoot it in the core a few times with that paintball pistol and it should go down pretty easily. Shut it down. Most likely, I'm gonna give it a shot. Good job. Count on you.
Of course. You picked Ender, of all people. Surprise! I killed Lily. It was me. I mean, really, was it that hard to figure out?
Sage?
Lil, did I say that I killed you? No, it's...
Oh.
Lily, we can talk about this, please. Lily,
Huh.
come on. Listen, I know
guess
of a
that
guy,
takes care
his
of
name's
that.
Edmonton, he's in another cell, I'll trade you him for me, please. Curse you, Ender. Curse.
Well, guess that's it then. Lily's at peace, Sage is gone, it's all over. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, let's head back to the surface. I could get something to eat. Ugh. Imagine if it was the other robot, though. It's like 100 times bigger.